Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2007 Ford F150. Customer was called and said they were hearing some grinding noises when the brakes were applied and wanted to have an inspection done. So we got the vehicle in, lifted it up, pulled all the wheels, and lo and behold, the driver's rear was definitely doing a lot of grinding. You can see from the picture here that the rotor was almost cut in half based on what was going on with the brakes. We did a complete inspection, verified that the calipers were working correctly as far as pistons retracting the way they should, slides moving as they should. Advised the customer that they would need to get a new set of brake pads and rotors to get the vehicle back up into proper operating and make sure that it was safe to run down the road. Got all that done, took it for a spin to make sure everything was good, nice and quiet now, and the braking was as good as it should be. Based on the manufacturer's specifications. So if you're hearing some grinding noises, or maybe your brake's feeling a little weak, or there's some pulsation in the pedal when you are applying the brakes, maybe more so at high speeds than low speeds, those are all things that we're very qualified to diagnose here at 3D Auto Repair. We do offer free estimates. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.